Senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi along with Wayanad MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, other MPs and senior leaders plan to visit Sambal even as the district administration has denied them permission for the visit. The local administration has reiterated restrictions on the entry of outsiders into the area until December 10th. Muradabad's divisional commissioner has said Gandhi's visit could lead to a provocation in an otherwise normal situation. Meanwhile, the UP government has named a 3-member panel to investigate the riots, in connection with which the police have filed charges against Ziaur Barq, the Samajwadi Party Sambal MP. A civil court in Sambal passed an ex parte order on November 19th after a plea by Hindu petitioner that the mosque was built by Mughal Emperor Babur in 1526 after demolishing a temple. Abhishek Singh continues to be with us for more on this story. Abhishek, even as Rahul Gandhi, of course, attempts to go to Sambal today, all eyes on the investigation as well. We're learning that a 3-member team has been named by the UP government to oversee investigation in this particular case.
Yes, so the 3-member judicial committee is being made to investigate the whole case, the whole violence incident, and they have to give the reports within 2 months. Also, 2 members of the committee have went to first Muradabad, and then they went to the whole incident site, the Jama Masjid, Shahi Jama Masjid, and they have visited the places. They have talked with the senior officials. They have asked them at what time you got the call, how you responded, whom you called up, and they have asked for the doctorate copy of the visuals what we were showing to our audiences, that how the CCTV cameras were broken, and before that the DVR has captured the visuals that people who are covering their faces, they are doing stone pelting on the administration and police, how they are firing on the police at the time of the violence, when violence broke down. Also, they have asked a list of the officers who were present at the time of the survey, the administrative officers and also the police people who were at the time of the incident. And after this, they went back to Lucknow, and very soon they are they can come to Sambal for the prior investigation. But what we were learning, that many of the officers can call to Lucknow also to give their statement, to record their statement in front of the judicial committee.